Hello दोस्तों, once again we are together. Rahul is with you to let you know some important aspect that he learned about our earth. One day Rahul's father was showing him the Google Earth on internet. With the help of setting tools on Google Earth, his father was showing him how earth rotates round the sun, that is its revolution, and also it spins on its axis, that is called rotation of earth. When his father was zooming in from space to our motherland, Rahul noticed that names of neighboring countries and later the names of various cities and towns began to appear on the screen. वह सोचने लगा कि जब बहुत ऊंचाई पर एक हवाई जहाज उड़ता है तब भला पायलट को यह कैसे पता लगता है कि दिल्ली कहाँ है या मुंबई कहाँ है, उसे कहाँ लैंड करना है। उसके पापा ने बताया कि पायलट को किसी शहर का पता उस जगह के लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड से चलता है। और फिर उसके पापा ने उसे उनके बारे में समझाना शुरू किया। उन्होंने कहा कि लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड इमेजिनरी लाइंस होती हैं और वे हम अर्थ पर कहीं भी खिंची हुई नहीं देख सकते हैं, ये काल्पनिक होती हैं। His father showed him a picture and asked the location of cat, fish and dog. He was puzzled for some time and gave some answers. लेकिन जब उसके पापा ने उस चित्र पर पहले वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल खड़ी और आड़ी रेखाएं खींचकर उनके नंबर दे दिए तो फिर राहुल के लिए यह बड़ा आसान हो गया कि बिल्ली EF67 पर, येलो फिश P3 पर और रेड फिश H8 पर है, और इस बात से वह बड़ा खुश भी हुआ। His father told that this crisscross of lines is called grid. Similarly, there are imaginary lines on Earth that are actually drawn on the globe. A globe is a small model of Earth that shows exactly the same things of it as they are on Earth, but in small size. राहुल को अब लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड्स का मतलब समझ में आ गया और साथ ही उसने यह भी समझ लिया कि हमारी विशाल पृथ्वी का छोटा सा मॉडल ग्लोब कहलाता है, जिस पर लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड बनाई गई हैं ताकि उनकी मदद से किसी जगह के बारे में एग्जैक्टली सही लोकेशन बताई जा सके।
Latitude and longitude. Globe. A globe is a three-dimensional spherical model of Earth. The word globe is derived from the Latin word globus, meaning round or sphere. It represents the geographical features of the Earth like oceans, continents, and countries. To locate a place on a globe, we need certain points of reference. They are imaginary lines called parallels or latitudes and meridians or longitudes. The Earth rotates on an imaginary line called axis. Its endpoints are called the poles. North Pole lies on the top of the axis, while South Pole lies at the bottom. Equator is the imaginary line that runs through the center of the Earth from the east to the west. Latitude. Latitude or parallels are the imaginary lines on the globe running from the east to west. Equator is the longest parallel that divides Earth into the northern hemisphere towards the north of the equator and the southern hemisphere towards the south of the equator. All the other latitudes are parallel to the equator. Latitudes are measured in degrees. Each degree is divided into 60 parts called minutes, and each minute is divided into 60 seconds. There are 90 latitudes in the northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes in the southern hemisphere. Hence, there are 181 latitudes, which includes equator. Features of latitude. All the latitudes are complete circles except the poles. They are points. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, the latitudes decrease. All latitudes are equidistant from each other. No latitude touches or crosses the other latitude. Let's know more. Equator is the longest latitude marked as 0 degree. The latitudes above and below the equator are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree with N north or S south according to the location. Important lines of latitude. There are 4 other important or special lines of latitude apart from the equator on the globe. They are the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, lies in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 south, lies on the southern hemisphere. The Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north, lies in the northern hemisphere. The Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south, lies in the southern hemisphere. Longitude. Longitude or meridians are the imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Since they join two poles, lines of longitude are all semicircles. They are used to locate places in east and west. Features of longitude. All longitudes are of the same length. Distance between the longitudes decreases as we move from equator towards the poles. Distance between two longitudes is maximum at the equator. Longitudes cut the latitudes at right angles. All longitudes are at a difference of 1 degree to each other. Let's know more. The lines of longitude passing through a place called Greenwich, very close to London in England, is taken as the 0 degree and called the prime meridian. It divides the earth vertically into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. There are 180 longitudes towards the east of prime meridian and 180 towards the west of the prime meridian. There are 360 meridians in all. Meridian of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line and is called the international date line. Grid. A grid is a network of intersecting latitudes and longitudes. It helps in locating a place on the globe if we know its position in terms of latitude and longitudes. For example, Delhi lies in 28.30 degree north latitude and 77.12 degree east longitude. The point where these latitudes and longitude intersect is where Delhi is located. Let's recap. A globe is a three-dimensional spherical model of the Earth. Earth rotates on an imaginary line called axis. Latitude or parallels are the imaginary lines on the globe running from east to west. Equator is the longest latitude marked as 0 degree. Longitude or meridian are the imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. A grid is a network of intersecting latitudes and longitudes.